New leaks have just given us an early look at the iPhone 17 series, revealing some surprising design changes. These metal molds, shared by well-known leaker Sonny Dixon, are typically used by case manufacturers to prepare accessories before a new iPhone launches. While they may not be entirely precise, they provide a solid idea of what Apple might be planning. One of the most exciting details in these leaks is the introduction of an ultra-thin model rumored to be called the iPhone 17 Air. One of the biggest changes spotted in these molds is the updated camera design across all four models. The standard iPhone 17 seems to keep its vertical dual camera setup, a design that helps capture 3D-style photos, possibly for Apple's Vision Pro headset. Meanwhile, the Pro and Ultra models feature a redesigned camera system that spans across the back of the phone. These models will still have three lenses, suggesting Apple continues to focus on high-quality photography. However, the most surprising change is seen in the iPhone 17 Air. Unlike the other models, this device is expected to have just a single rear camera positioned horizontally. At first, this might seem like a step backward compared to phones with multiple lenses, but Apple is using advanced computational photography to make up for it. The software will allow this single camera to function as both a standard wide and an ultra-wide lens, adjusting dynamically to capture different perspectives without needing multiple sensors. Another major detail is its incredibly thin design. Based on the leaks, the iPhone 17 Air is by far the slimmest model in the lineup. Despite its thin profile, it has the largest camera bump, which suggests Apple is still packing powerful imaging technology into the device. This balance between ultra-thin design and strong camera performance could make it one of the most interesting iPhones Apple has ever released. Another change that stands out is the Action button, now appearing on all four models. Previously available only on the iPhone 15 Pro models, this button provides a customizable shortcut to frequently used functions. With a simple long press, users can quickly open the camera, activate ChatGPT, toggle silent mode, or perform other useful actions. The button is positioned just above the volume controls, making it easily accessible. In terms of performance, the iPhone 17 series is expected to launch in early September, with sales beginning later that month. All models will come with iOS 19, featuring improved Apple Intelligence capabilities. The iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air will run on the A19 chip, while the Pro and Ultra versions will get the more powerful A19 Pro. These chips are built using an advanced 3nm process, delivering better speed, improved battery efficiency, and enhanced overall performance. These leaks make it clear that Apple is making some bold design choices with the iPhone 17 series. The introduction of the iPhone 17 Air as an ultra-thin model, the updated camera layouts, and the addition of the Action button across all models show that Apple is balancing style, innovation, and functionality. While these leaks provide an exciting preview, we will have to wait for the official announcement in September to get the full details. What do you think of these design changes? Does the idea of an ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air excite you, or would you have preferred more camera upgrades? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to stay updated on the latest tech news, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. More leaks and updates are on the way. See you in the next one.